something quite beyond art's dilapidated pettiness. Heed well the 11 questions. What has replaced art with the rash thrill of the slap and blow of the fist? JEJ. Who are the watchdogs on the steps of the houses of art, raising high the enormous grappling irons of discernment? JEJ. Who now sings the love of danger without energy, but with rashness? JEJ. Who has induced the most feverish sleeplessness in the gluttonous railway stations? JEJ. Who believes that no masterpiece exists without a chortle, a chuckle, and a chubster's mirth? JEJ.
Look, my spine makes its own Hawaiian punch.
Who exists on the extreme promontory of the centuries while opening the mysterious shutters of the impossible? JEJ. Who surfs the polyphonic waters of revolution like enormous steel horses with long tubes for bridle? JEJ. Who bridges our discontents with the leap of gymnasts flung across the diabolic cutlery of sunny rivers? JEJ. Who spends itself with warmth, glamour, and prodigality to increase the enthusiastic fervor of the primordial elements? JEJ. Who, in order to tame art, first tame death, and sometimes lay on the ground with a noise of creaking jaws, while sneaking velvet glances from the bottom of puddles? JEJ. What has enriched the world with a splendid new beauty? The beauty of quickly falling into the pit of wisdom. JEJ. 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 JEJ.
As always, JEJ.
JEJ. Are you an artist made obsolete by the death of art? Never fear. Though you can never become a member of JEJ, you can become an associate of JEJ. As soon as your initiation fee and first 3 months of membership dues are paid, you'll become an associate. Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw.